Okay, hey, good night, guys. This is Demetrius again with Akeelah Traders, and so I'm reviewing today. This has actually been a pretty long day today. We've had a lot of just different activities and stuff going on today, so I'm just now getting a chance to do a video. So it's pretty late here tonight. It's a little after 11:30 p.m. Eastern time, and so I'm wanting to come in and just review some of the trades that our system has taken today. And so I'm actually going to go to my VPS account because that's where we did the trades today. I just wanted to be able to capture what date and time this is. So this is February 5th, around 11:38 p.m. Eastern time. Because when I go to my actual live accounts here, it's showing, my broker time, which is in England somewhere. So the time is off a little bit. So, but let's take a look here in this particular account here. We are trading a $25,000 funded challenge account. So this is one of the accounts where the rules are, to get approved for a funded challenge, you have to maintain some pretty tight restrictions on what your losses are. And you have some set specifications for a daily goal. So the goal rather for this particular challenge is to earn $2,000 in profit. So get the account up to a $27,000 balance without losing more than 5%, in a particular day's time. And so we've got a little bit of leeway in there, but these challenges are very difficult. If you've seen anyone talking about passing prop firm challenges, they are, very difficult. It takes a lot of discipline and things. And so we applied our trader system here to this particular challenge yesterday and set it up to trade gold here on the 30-minute time frame. I'm going to move up here a little bit and kind of expand my window so we can kind of see what has been going on here with gold. And so I'm not sure why that's not expanding, but nonetheless, the account is not trading right now. It's still in scan mode. So we had several trades taken over, last night time until this early morning. And so I'm just going to review some of those trades. So we're trading gold on the 30-minute time frame. This here is, again, one of our advanced strategies, and it's designed to take a look at multiple factors in the market. It's looking at support and resistance zones. It's looking at volumes. It's looking at a lot of different things here. And so we put it up to the challenge just to see how this one could do. We posted several other videos with this particular strategy running very aggressively, trading gold, trading NAS 100, and it's getting some pretty good results. But let's take a look in the history section here so we can see. So if I scroll all the way up here to the top, you can see this balance started February 5th at 6:40 a.m. That's broker time, MetaTrader time. So that was around, I think I started this around midnight Eastern Standard Time last night. And so started it here and just pretty much set the system to trade and did not do anything to it. Just let it pretty much run all day. And so you'll see here, we had an initial couple of small orders. This particular strategy has a lot of exit criteria that's built into it. So it's designed to look for opportunities to get into the market, take the trades that are going in our direction, but there's also a lot of exit signals. So if the system sees that the trade is not going the right way, we're in a buy and it starts to get too many sell signals or too much sell pressure coming in, is going to exit. And so early on, we had a couple of those things happen here. So a few, small trades here, but then we started to pick up some momentum, getting, $9, $10 trades and some $40 trades. Then we had a couple of almost $200 trades in here, and then back down to some smaller ones. So overall, we ended up, if you see here, there was only a few trades that we took, that actually hit, either our stop losses or came out to break even or negative. And so we ended up pretty well overall profiting. Let me get this out of the way. Right at just shy of $1,000 here. And actually, we had made $1,000 on this account. And I forgot I had a pending trade on US 30 set on this account. So that triggered, and we lost $68 on that. That was a manual trade. I did not intend to trade that on this account. So this particular account actually made a little over $1,000 just from the auto trading. And so if we look here at gold, you can see a couple of things that was going on here. Whoops, I'm not trying to do Bitcoin. I'm trying to get this to slide down. Okay, so if we can get this to slide down, and then I go back to gold. You can see here, so this was the time period overnight that we actually started, we started taking some trades. And so if I back up, because I'm on the 30-minute time frame, let's go back to February 2nd. So yeah, right in here, around 600 hours or so is when we first started trading. Let me make sure I got that right. That was, February 5th. Okay, yeah. So forgive me, right up in here. So where our arrows are starting up in this time. So we initially took some sales. Obviously, gold is selling right in this time period. And so the system picked up on a couple of sales. We got in right in this area. And as the market pushed down, closed out, took profits. Found another opportunity to get in, took another sale, closed out, and took profits. So we rode this trade here on gold pretty much down until I think the last trade that we took for the day on gold was right around 1500 hours, 1530. So by the time the market, the U.S. market opened up this morning around this time in here, 1500, 1530 hours, that's 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So an hour or so before the market opened, we were done with our trades. And so we closed out right in here. And so since then, our system has just been scanning. It has not taken any more trades. So gold has kind of pulled back a little bit. But based on the signals that we're getting from what our system is picking up, it's still expecting gold to sell. So we're not eager to jump into a buy up in this area. It's pretty much going to wait to get some more momentum from the market here. Okay. All right, so that's pretty much an overview of this particular trade. We have some other videos showing this strategy here running live, and we'll post a few more, and you'll see these kinds of things over to the side, where you'll see some buy strength and sell strength, that kind of thing that the system is kind of measuring just to give us an idea. So what we're seeing, the success in the market here is to have something that you can do that's going to bring some consistency to your trading. And so in these particular strategies that we're using, they're consistent in terms of what signals they're looking for from the market. If we see those signals, it's going to take a trade. It's not using any kind of emotions. It's not, basing the trade on anything else other than these factors that we use our AI systems to kind of help us, figure out what's the best entry criteria for this. So it's going to take trades based on those factors. Same thing, the exit criteria. If it sees these things, it's not going to, kind of dilly-dally and wonder if I should exit this trade. If these particular criteria are met, it's going to take the exit. It's going to get out. If these conditions are not met, like in this case here, gold has been kind of trending up here, but our system says, I don't want to take a trade on gold. I don't want to buy gold right now when the overall trend is downward. And, there's not enough either momentum or not enough volume or not enough, other indicators that are confirming that we should be trying to get into this buy here. So it's just sitting in scan mode. So bringing consistency to your trading is going to be very important. We're also consistently using the same risk. So whatever risk we use on the very first trade we took is also the same risk that we use on the last trade. And so just a few of those factors there are going to be very important. So using an automated system like this is going to help. We are in no way winning every trade. We're taking losses, but those losses are controlled. And as one of the traders on our team likes to say, the losses are built in. You just have to be able to give the system time to work. So very successful day here in trading. We hopefully, if the market gets some pretty good momentum tomorrow, we're hoping to finish this challenge tomorrow. But if not, it's nothing that we're rushing on. We're going to let the system trade here. If there are trade opportunities, we're going to take them. If it's not, we're not. But the key thing is this is being done automatically, hands off. We did not have to touch the system at all. It just went in and did these trading for us. So I'd say that's pretty successful. Okay. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Please like our channel, subscribe to it, leave some comments and things for us, and come to our Telegram channel as well and see other posts and things that we're doing here. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.